Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter number 16, which is perimeter and area. So today we will study about how to find perimeter and area of a plane figure. In plane figure, many plane figures are there, just like triangle, rectangle, square, pentagon, hexagon, so on. But today we will study about perimeter and area of square and. So what is perimeter? Perimeter of a closed plane figure is the length of its boundary. Perimeter of a plane closed figure is the length of the closed figure, length of its boundary. And what is its measurement? How to measure it? We can measure by some formula. So we can write perimeter. Definition of perimeter. The perimeter of a closed plane figure is the length of its boundary. Length of its boundary. And what is its unit? Its unit is same as the unit of length. Alright? And what is area? So write definition of area. Area of a closed plane figure is the region enclosed by its boundary. Is the region enclosed by its boundary. And what is its units? Its units will be, if length is given in meter, then unit of area will be meter square. If length is given in centimeter, then unit of area will be centimeter square. Alright? So now we can take some shapes, just like square. Perimeter of a square. You know the shape square is like this. Suppose this is a square and length of its all sides used to be equal. A, B, C, D is a square. Length of its all sides A. Then perimeter of a square What is perimeter of a square? Is given by 4 into length of a side. Why? Because in square all the 4 sides used to be equal. Length of all 4 sides used to be equal. So perimeter is divided by B is equal to 4A. Where perimeter is divided by B and length of side is divided by A. Also, area of a square. How to find area? Area of a square is length of side whole square. So A is equal to side square means A square. Alright? And here the perimeter is given and you have to find the length of one side. So then you will use formula also A is equal to perimeter upon 4. All right. Similarly, if area is given and length of side, the length of side or side, if area is given, then area is square. These are formula for square. Similarly, we are having formula for perimeter and square of rectangle also. So let me tell that these definitions you can note. Now I will tell the formula for finding perimeter and area of rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle. Suppose this is a rectangle whose length is L and breadth is B. A, B, C, D is a rectangle. Suppose length is given by L and breadth by B. Then perimeter of a rectangle is equal to C. Perimeter is length of boundary AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. This will be equal to AB is L plus B plus L plus B. 2L plus 2B. Then you will get 2 times of length plus breadth. Perimeter B is equal to 2 times of length plus breadth. Also, length of a rectangle is equal to perimeter upon 2 minus breadth and breadth of a rectangle is equal to perimeter by 2 minus length. This formula will be if perimeter and breadth is given and you have to find breadth. If you have to find breadth, then breadth is equal to perimeter upon 2 minus length. Similarly, if you have to find area of a rectangle, then some other formula is there. All of you must know these formula and keep in your mind. This formula you studied in class 6 also. Maybe that if you forget, then you keep it remember. Now see area of rectangle. Area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. A is equal to L into B. If length you have to find and area is given, also length L is equal to area upon B and breadth B is equal to area upon B. So these are few formulae related to rectangle and square. All of you must note it in your copy and you will use these formulas. So see, two formulas, perimeter and area for square is there, and two main formulas for perimeter and area of rectangle is there. And some more units are there. You can see on this page. Some units are given. See on page number 300. Conversion of units is written in your book. I can write also. You can note from your book. See, these conversion of units. You can note in your copy. Unit of length and unit of area. Unit of length and here units of area. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm. So 1 centimeter square is equal to 10 mm into 10 mm. It will become 100 mm square. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 meter square is equal to 100 into 100 is equal to 10,000 centimeter square. Similarly, 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meter. So 1 kilometer square is equal to 1,000 into 1,000 is equal to 10 lakh meter square. And one more is given, 1 ampere. 1 ampere is equal to 100 meter into 100 meter, 10,000 meters. So these are few formulas you can note in your copy. All of you can know these formulas, and you must remember these formulas. You have to use in the question, related questions. So after this, we can start our exercise, and you can see question number 1. All of you see question number 1 in your book.